My Rilakkuma is naked. Actually, most of them are. I've had a crazy Rilakkuma obsession for almost 10 years, and yet I still cannot find any clothing for these bears. So we're gonna take upon ourselves to make them some clothing. I don't know how good it will go, but I'm gonna take you with me on this trip. Let's get started. The first thing I think I want to make is a little cape because it's getting cold and I want Kuma to be warm. So what I'm thinking to do... God, he's not looking too good, is he? Alright, you get the idea, right? I have this blanket that I made for my ready. So one side is fleece and one side is fabric. And I think it would almost perfectly fit if we did it a little bit bigger than this around his neck. And then either a drawstring so it kind of flares out in the back. And then this for his head. And then we make holes so his ears fit through. Yeah? You get the idea. Okay, so I'm gonna pick out some fabric that I think I want to use. I do like the fleece because he's gonna be nice and warm. So I might do even a double layer fleece. I want to make some tries because I don't feel like this is gonna go right. Let's pick out some fabrics. We have decided on white fleece for the inside, and we have this purple, it's like t-shirt fabric, I think. So I'm gonna measure and cut out the pieces because that's the boring part, and I'll be back in a second. I'm gonna be honest here, I just cut it out. It's not that straight, don't sue me. I'm not feeling so confident about this project, but at least we got it cut out. But at first I'm gonna sew everything together and then flip it inside out so we have the nice side. And I'm gonna make a little hoop inside of here so I can later on add a button. Hopefully I will not regret this. So let's get the sewing machine out and let's get into sewing. Woo! I have a really bad issue with seam allowance and messing that up, so hopefully this time around it will be okay. Alright, just doing the back stitch. All sewn up. Let's flip it inside out. See if I messed up. Big reveal. Oh, I messed it up. Of course. Well, now what? Oh, that's a problem for later, I guess. Alright, this is where we're at. If we're trying it on, maybe we should have just done two, or we can do like one of those wrappy things. Should I make holes for his arms? Oh, he looks like a little king! Oh, he's so cute. I wish I had a little crown. Okay, same fashion with the other layer. I think I'm gonna cut the hole for the ears after I've sewn it and reversed it, because that's a problem for later as well. This is the other shape. It's supposed to be shorter on this top, so that's not on me. I'm debating if I want to do a double layer. Like on this blanket, I did a double layer, so it's like more flat. I'm debating if that will look better for him. Honestly, it might. You know what? Let's do it. Okay, let's do a double layer. This definitely looks way better with the extra sewing. I don't know what it does. It just makes it look like a pad. Well, moving on. Now the scary part. I'm gonna cut the ears because I measured the long tapered part to be here in the front, so it does frame his whole face and the back only connects to a small part. I hope this works out for me. Let's make a 4 cm hole on both sides. I'll do it on the underside so it does look less ugly. The question is, where are his ears? Is that too small? Okay, moment of truth. Oh, that's way too small. Again, moment of truth. Be a little bit bigger on this side. A little bit bigger. Okay, no sweat. Oh my god, what is this? What was I thinking? Oh, well, at least his ear holes are intact. I feel like he looks like he's wearing one of those traditional Dutch hats that we have in my country. All he needs is a tulip. How am I gonna fix this? What was I thinking? Do I just sew this? And then what happens if I would sew this shut, right, with the curve of his head and then attach the blanket? Is it gonna be awkward looking? Oh gosh. I can't figure it out. I wanted to lay flat here at least. Is this a look? Not the look we were going for. You feel my desperation here at this point? What if we made this into a jacket? Maybe we should do that instead. You could have one of those cool blazers, but it doesn't really flare out. Oh, wait. Okay, but no. Wait. He is a king. He needs a king coat. This is absolutely cute. We're gonna do it like this. We just need something to clasp his little coat. And we're gonna make him a crown. We'll do that. Okay, problem solved. Let's find something to snap this together. I think a button would work best after all. And then we just loop it around. But we need one that looks kind of royal. Ooh, I got a golden button. It also has to look like not ugly with the proportions. So I will clasp it here and then use the elastic to go around. Does that work? I think that would. Okay, but wait. I found these that I still have. And if I put this on the inside, I can probably make an invisible clasp. And that will probably be even looking better. And I'm gonna go with this. I have decided, but I've never used any of these before, so I'm kind of nervous. It's gonna be invisible. I'm gonna be doing it upside down so I can just hook it in like that. I'm gonna put it like this so the hook is not visible. And sew this on, and I'll be back in a second for a try on. I didn't have purple string, so I ended up sewing it in and making it look kind of neat with a brown. So this is what it looks like. Are you ready? Are you ready for the big reveal? Because I sure am. I have not tried it on. Oh gosh, that's ugly. Alright, it kind of flopped, but it doesn't look as bad. Let me back up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think I'll like it, but we can see this as a prototype since this is the first outfit I've ever made for him. He looks kind of royally, so I'm thinking about making a little crown and then call it a day, but I do want to make more in the future. So I'm just going to clean up and we're going to get some foam out to make a little hat for him. I have this felt. It's not that thick. Gonna fold it in half and then a little bit smaller than this, but this will make a good hat size, and I'll just make an elastic so he can have a little string. And then it will stay on his little head. Now I just need to figure out how I will make this work. So at least cut this out. And it's a little on the big side, I think, if you went around. Actually, maybe it's not. And then I want to make it zigzaggy, so like that big. And I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna fold it like this and then cut in everything. I feel like this would be a good height. Okay, and wait, why is it crooked again? I just cut it. What? And then that will be... It's so big. Why is it so big? Is it too big? I feel like it's too big. I want to give it one more try. I have just enough to make it a little bit shorter than that, yeah. One more try, you guys. Folding it in half first, and then folding it in half, and then folding it in half. So, I don't know if I can cut through this, actually. Moment of truth. What? I'm so confused. Why is it not just... Did I mess up on a fold? Well, I'll just cut in and we'll pretend that it's okay. It's fine, it's fine. Now I'm just gonna overlap this. This does look better. I'm just gonna sew over everything and hopefully it will look better. I'm not gonna flip it inside out because there's too many corners and I cannot do that. So wish me luck. I'll be back in just a second. I actually like it quite a lot with the sewing on the outside, but I do have to clean up a little bit. Oh, especially this corner is pretty bad, but I'm just gonna go around and trim all the edges that are uneven. Then we will sew it. So cute. Yes, let's do that. I am going to be attempting to add this to the bottom so I can hoop it to his ears. I think I'm gonna try and stitch over the bottom again, I guess, and then see how it hoops on. Stretch enough. So are you ready for the moment of truth? Don't look at my extremely bad hand sewing. I'm gonna flip it inside out. Let's crown our king. Doesn't he look fabulous? I think I'm gonna call it a day for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see Kuma or the other Kumas wearing more outfits, please subscribe because I will be making more outfits in the future. With that being said, I hope you have a great day. Bye!